Namaste friends, welcome to the astrology classes of S. Bhattacharya. After a long time, again I come back with the series of astrological educations. Today I will going to discuss the implementation of D9 chart, one of the implementations. Generally, there are many pollution, many dusts, many fogs, many impurity in every chart, in every stream of astrology. Maybe you are going with KP astrology, Kaspar interlink theory, Nari astrology. Until you do not consider the D9 chart, you can't remove the fogs. You can't remove the impurity. For making a clear picture, for making a clear vision, you have to consider the D9 chart, just like my glasses. I use these glasses for a clear vision, just like D9 chart. D9 chart is used, one of the greatest use of D9 chart is for a clear vision. If you do not consider the D9 chart, you can't predict clearly because your vision will not be clear. We use D9 chart as a great filter to filter the impurity. I am going to the subject with practical examples. Look at this KP chart. This is a KP chart of one of my clients. Date of birth is 28/08/1975, 7:10 p.m. Kolkata. This is the KP chart. Just follow my cursor. Here, Rahu is the sublord of 10th and 11th. Very good. Rahu is in the star of Jupiter and in the sub of Rahu. The Rahu signifies 1, 8 and 10. Very good. Jupiter signifies 2nd, 1, means ascendant, and 10th. This is also very good. Please follow my cursor. Rahu represents Moon, Jupiter, Mars. Moon represents 6, 2. Moon represents 6 and 2 strongly, and Mars represents 2, 3, 6 strongly. Means the sublord of 10th and 11th, which is Rahu, and Rahu signifies strongly first house, second house and 10th house with his star lord and sublord and representators. This is a very good combination as per KP rule and as per the rule of every stream of astrology. Rahu, I am repeating again, Rahu, which is the sublord of 10th and 11th, Rahu signifies with his star lord, that is Jupiter, and with his sublord, that is Rahu, and the representatives of Rahu, that is Moon, Jupiter, Mars, the family of Rahu signifies most strongly 1, 8, 10, second, 1, 10, 6, 2 and Mars second house, 10th house and 6th house are strongly signified by the sublord of 10th and 11th. That is very good combination as per astrology. But practically this native did not get anything in the Mahadasha of Rahu. He lose everything. He did not get any prosperity, any progress, any promotion regarding his career. Rahu just gave the native just anxiety, tension, depression and no money. Now the question is, how and why this happened? Until we do not consider the D9 chart for the same native, we can't understand what is the reason behind this opposite action of Rahu. Sorry. What is the reason behind this kind of opposite action of Rahu? Now, we should look at the D9 chart. Look at the D9 chart for the same native. Here you can clearly see that the ascendant lord of D9, that is Sun, placed in 12th with Rahu. The ascendant lord of Sun placed in 12th with Rahu. Inauspicious combination, Sun with Rahu. That is very inauspicious combination. And 12 is also inauspicious house for prosperity. Now, the reason why Rahu did not give him any prosperity, any progress. Now, the reason is very much clear to us with the help of D9 chart. This is the great implementation of D9 chart. So, this is one of the proof. I have thousands, lakhs of proof, practical examples how the D9 chart helps us as a great filter to remove all the illusions. I have thousands, lakhs of charts, practical charts. This is one of the example. And this is a proof why we should consider the D9 chart at first. D9 chart is the final dignity of a planet. Suppose in KP astrology, in Nari astrology, or in classical interlink theory, or in Vedic astrology, the chart shows you that one planet, suppose X planet, is very much auspicious for the native. You should then and there check what is the final dignity of the planet in the D9 chart. D9 chart is the final decision maker. If D9 chart shows you the negativity for any planet, the D9 chart shows you the inauspiciousness of any planet, then finally you have to consider that planet as inauspicious. Not only planet, every astrological body, for every astrological body, you have to consider the D9 chart to understand what is the final dignity of that body. So friend, now this is the end of this class, and I will come back again with the series of the implementations of D9 chart, the great implementations of D9 chart. Hope you will understand, and also hope you will enjoy this video. Namaste.